was such an amazing experience. To be able to work with people like Makeup by Mario, Kennedy Johnson, Laverne Cox, Xana Roberts-Rossi, these people are all really well known in the makeup industry, and they are so picky with who they choose to be on this show. Like hundreds of thousands of applicants, and we were both chosen. For us to both be from CMU obviously shows a lot, but our experience there was just insane. It was definitely something, like once in a lifetime opportunity, I would say for sure.
Yeah.
And
I can't even explain it. Like it's really mind blowing, really.
Yeah, very
like,
mind blowing.
To think about it, and even like getting feedback from the judges. Like a lot of the judges like love your work, or even like the criticism. Like it's really helpful, and like everything is a learning experience.
Yeah.
Like even like going on from this school, like I learned so much of this school, but every day as I work, it's a learning experience. So it was so crazy.
Yeah.
It was an amazing experience.
And the challenges of the show really put your artistry to a test on that show. If you don't know what you're doing, like you really are gonna make a fool of yourself on that show. Like you really will. And there's times even on the show for me, I don't know about you with your episode, but I was questioning myself as an artist. I'm like, oh my god, can I do this? And once you're done the challenge in that 1 hour, you're like, oh my gosh, I did this. Like that's insane, right? And just when you guys watch the show, you'll be able to see the very difficult challenges we were put through. So your artistry and time management comes through. You got to be really good with that.
Yeah, and I feel like each makeup artist specializes in an area, but being able to come out of CMU, we learned all the areas. So I felt like every challenge that I was asked, even if I was a little unsure, I was still confident because I have some knowledge of what the genre is. You know what I mean? So like
I feel the exact same way.
Yeah, like even if I was like I had a really hard challenge and I'm like, I've never done this. I haven't done this since I was at CMU, but at least I have had practice. Glam Master airs February 28th on Lifetime TV. So that is the premiere of the show, but again, everybody is on different episodes. So there is 6 episodes of different artists, and then if you make it on your episode, then you'll go to the semifinals, and then if you make that, then you'll go to the finals. So you can see me on March 28th. That is my episode, the 5th episode.
And mine's going to be episode 2, which is going to be on March 7th. And it's on at 10 p.m., so we're really excited. We hope that you guys tune in. Yeah, it's a really amazing show, and we can't wait for you guys to watch.
Yeah.